All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Hi everyone, my first full day in Phuket. We have moved. We were meant to be at the Sada Phuket Boutique Hotel in Qatar. We went there this morning. The place is shut down. Nobody's there, apart from a cleaner, but she was just cleaning to get ready for the next week or whatever. I don't know. It was shut down anyway. Right, so we ended up booking somewhere. I'll show you in a minute. It looks lovely. But we booked another place before we booked this. And it said we're having problems, didn't it? And I go to having problems, so I just clicked okay, forget it, we'll book another one. So I booked another one, ended up with this one. Then all of a sudden the other one got booked. So we've got 2 places this week. We've actually got 3 places. We've got the first place as well. I need to get my money back, so I've paid for 3 places. And obviously I can only stay in one. So I've been on to Agoda. I should get the other one. I'm getting the other one money back, the one that's not there anymore. I hope, well it should be. Then the one I booked for this week, I shall try to get the dates changed to our last week here. So where are we? We're at a Wyndham Sea Pearl Resort. That's where we are. And I shall show you the room. Come with me. Hang on, I'll pretend I've not been in here. Right, here we go. This is my room. Din din din. Right, big lovely big room, a couple of single, well they're not actually single, they're, I don't know what they are, single and a half beds. I must have clicked the wrong option there, don't know what happened. That looks nice, a big mirror so I can look at myself. Hello there, Mr. Baldy Vlogger. And a TV, get me dodgy, but oh, I never said that, I'll have to watch telly there. I want to watch telly, a couple of cases that someone's left. Must be, oh, is there anything in here? An empty fridge. Have to get our own supplies of Chang in there. Water. I don't know why they just put water here instead of in the fridge. I don't know the answer to that one. I don't know why they do that. It must be for show, but I'd rather have a show in the fridge, to be honest. And it's cold. Big, lovely, big space for all my clothes that I don't have. There's in it. A couple of bathrobes. There we go, that's where I am. I've got a towel on the floor at the toilet. Don't know why that's there. Do you think I was meant to pee on the floor or something? There's the bathroom. And don't go yet, you haven't seen the best bit. I haven't shown you the best bit yet. Right, I'll show you the best bit, come with me. I didn't even know I was getting this when I ordered the room. Well, come with me if I can get out, I thought it was unlocked. A jacuzzi. Like this, a jacuzzi. I've never had a room with a jacuzzi in before. What's this? I better not pour any of my shampoo in it. I keep my shampoo for my head. There we seat there. And that's it. Please keep your door closed. And how much was this? I should just tell you. 1 second. 7 nights luxury room with a jacuzzi. Agoda. I booked it on agoda.com. A last minute thing, like I said, because I had to book it quickly. Because everything was messed up at my other place. 4.5 stars. I don't know what 4.5 stars is, but it's called the Wyndham Sea Pearl Resort, Phuket. There's the resort. Yeah. €406 for 7 nights. So what's that? 400 divided by 7 is, well, 400 divided by 10 is 40. So it'll be about £50 a night for an almost 5-star luxury hotel with a jacuzzi. I bet you can't get that in Glasgow. Or Black, well you might be too, no not, you could get a cheap hotel that price in Blackpool, but not an hotel like this. So there you go, that's a Baldy Vlogger done. I've had a stressful morning, all these hotel stuff and all that, but I'm getting there. And I don't always speak to the camera like this, so let me know how I've done in them comments down below, comments. And subscribe and like, and ring that bell, and push that button, and put them shoes on. That's me, the Baldy Vlogger. Bye bye. Have a little walk around this resort now. put what room number it was, but it's K first, isn't it? K, M104. It says 25 minutes. Nobody's in it. We're not going in it either. It's dirty. Not in use. Well, it's not. Look, it's dirty. What about the other ones? Maybe there's another one. It doesn't look like the main pool. Because it's a round shape, isn't it? Where's the main swimming pool? We're swimming. Is there another pool? Is this the only one? If we ask you for a swimming pool, I haven't got my swimming gear on, they'll be thinking, why do you want a swimming pool? Hello. Here's a swimming pool. Is it warm? I think it's just sun warm. There's an indoor pool as well, with a spa area and all that. We need a map. I'll look through here. There we go. You just see where you came from. Can we go along here? You see, there's not many people staying here. Everything's due to COVID. The Baldy vlogger tours Thailand. What does he do if he shows you at a hotel? I will be doing more interesting, better things than this. I promise. Is this down? Did we come this way? Oh, here we are. I thought it was meant to come that way or not. I didn't think I would struggle in Phuket to get a beer, but apparently I'm struggling in Phuket to get a beer. I don't think anything's open in this place. Well, they've got drinks. Oh, it's just... I found a pool. You get drinks, look. So I got my food delivered, 300 baht. What's that? Yeah, about £7. It's not that great then. Well, I suppose it's better than back home. Right, show you what I got. I've got meat roast sub, there we go. Salads. And Nutella pancakes. And I have honey pancakes. And this sauce, I don't know what that is. I shall go and eat it anyway. Ta-ra!